Morning. Welcome to Literacy Time. I have a few things that I wanted to tell you this morning. You are not going to have to listen to me very much for Literacy Time because we have these great videos that I'll be linking each day that come from curriculum, and they explain it probably better than I could, and I think that they're really good. Just like the video that I linked yesterday, but there's one today that I will link under this. I just wanted to give you a few instructions before you listen to that video, okay? That video is interactive. It's going to ask you at certain parts to stop and do some things. It is also going to share a text with you called Mongo's Migration. As you're reading that text, I want you to think about the word migration. I want you to look for it throughout the text. And I hope that by the end of reading that text, you can tell me what the word migration means, okay? Birds often migrate. Okay, I'll leave it at that and let you discover more about the word migration as you read. I also want you to notice the characters and the setting in the story. The story that you will be reading, Mongo's Migration, is nonfiction, so it's not no, I'm sorry, it's fiction. Sorry, it is fiction. It is not a true story, so it is fiction. It's not factual like we had been learning about. So it has characters and setting in it. So I want you to pay special attention to those characters and settings. I also want to point out, and then you will have some questions to answer afterwards, and it's all in your packet that your parents have either downloaded on the computer for you, or you may have a paper copy. Please make sure that when you are working, when you are doing the things that I've asked you to do, if it's answer questions or write something to me, make sure you're using your journal and you're recording it somewhere, okay? Because I want to be able to see your work, okay? I love it when you guys share your work with me by taking pictures or whatever, and your parents send it to me. But also, you've got these paper copies at home. You know what? Just save your work, okay? Don't throw this stuff away. I want to see it. We will get back together at some point, I hope, and I can see these things from you, okay? And that's just a great way for me to see that you are learning things at home, okay? Also, I want to point out that you have a word work activity today, and it is from using Cycle 18 words. They are on the back of your packet as well. I will make sure to snip a copy of it and put it underneath this video. Today, you're going to look for the endings S, ed, and ing within those words, within those Cycle 18 words. There's a passage called baseball that you're going to read through, and it wants you to highlight words that have the es, ed, or ing ending, okay, that go along with your words for the week. So have a great time. I can't wait to see the wonderful work that you guys do. Bye.